In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage clients in monday.com. By the end, you'll have a clean, easy to use board for tracking every client at a glance, and you'll know exactly where to click so nothing feels confusing. First, head to monday.com and sign into your account. Once you're in your workspace, look over to the left-hand sidebar. If it's collapsed, hover or click to expand it. Find the plus icon and click it. This is your shortcut for creating new items in your workspace. From the menu that appears, choose New Board. This tells monday.com you want a fresh place to organize your clients. A window will open asking for details. In the name field, type Client Management. Using a clear title makes the board easy to find later, and it helps teammates instantly understand what it's for. Next, choose your privacy setting. Main makes the board visible to your entire team in the workspace. Private limits access to specific people you select. Shareable is designed for collaborating with guests outside your organization. Pick the level that fits how you plan to use this board. If you're unsure, start with main so your internal team can see it, and you can tighten access later if needed. Now select clients. This points monday.com toward a client-focused setup so your board can include useful columns for client work right from the start. With that selected, click Create Board. Monday will build the board and drop you right into it so you can start adding information immediately. Begin by adding a client name. Each row represents one client, so click into the first item and type the client's name. Press enter to add the next one. Keep names consistent so they're easy to scan and search. Assign a person to each client using the people column. Click the cell in the client's row and choose the teammate who owns that relationship. Assigning a clear owner helps eliminate confusion and ensures every client has a point of contact. Finally, choose a status for each client. Click into the status column and set the current state, such as active, onboarding, or on hold. Use statuses to communicate progress at a glance. If your team uses specific terminology, you can adjust the labels later so they match your workflow. That's it. You've signed in, created a new board, named it Client Management, set privacy, selected clients, created the board, and started populating it with client names, owners, and statuses. Keep these fields up to date and you'll always know who's responsible for each client and where things stand.